Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can download Capcut into your Windows 10 PC. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. All you need to do is, first you need to open your browser. In my case I like to using Google Chrome. Just search for Google Chrome and then tap on that icon. And you can choose the profile you need to download. Just tap it, that is not necessary. Okay, then after you can see this as address bar. You have to type Capcut download, then after hit enter. Okay, you can see this is the first option, Capcut.com, Capcut download for your workshine. Just tap on it. It will move you to Capcut official website. You can see there is two options here, just here download and also here, both doing same the job. Just tap on download for free. It will open new window and you can see the video Capcut software is downloaded completely. Then after, go to that download folder. Okay, it is right here and you need to double tap on it. Then you can ask to yes or no. Yes, and you can see the Capcut is downloading and installing. After complete this, you can see Capcut is installed on your computer. But I am doing already installed that in my computer, so I close this one. Close this and stop, and close this window also. After completely installing, you can see the Capcut icon is in your desktop menu. Double tap on it. Wait for loading. Okay, you can see this kind of interface. There is a big button here called new project. Just tap on it. Then after, you can import the videos. Tap on it, that import button, then tap on the video, and you can drag and drop into timeline, and you can do the editing to that video. After complete the editing, you can just tap on export and fill this information according to your needs. Then after, tap on export, then it will be export into this location. You can change that also. So okay, that's all about today's video. I hope you gain some knowledge from this. Thank you very much. And if you think this video is useful, please consider subscribe and like this video.